In this video, I will show you how to fix Face ID not working on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or 17 Air. If Face ID stopped working after the update, follow these steps carefully. First, clean the front camera with a soft cloth. Sometimes, dirt or fingerprints can block the sensors and cause Face ID to stop working. Next, force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and after that, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. After your iPhone restarts, open the Settings app and set it up again. If Face ID still doesn't work, you can reset your settings. Open Settings, go to General, scroll down, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. After the reset is complete, set up Face ID again. That's how you can fix Face ID issues on your iPhone 17 series. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more iPhone 17 tutorials.